Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Namra Afzal from BS Chemistry and my ID is 13. The topic of my presentation is common ion effect. The phenomena in which degree of dissociation of any weak electrolyte is suppressed by adding a small amount of strong electrolyte containing a common ion is called common ion effect. I will explain you by giving some examples. First one is dissociation of a weak acid. Ionization of weak electrolyte acetic acid is suppressed by adding strong electrolyte sodium acetate containing common acetate ion. Suppose an electrolyte acetic acid is treated with water, it dissociates and an equilibrium exists as shown in equation. By applying the law of mass action, we obtained Ka, where Ka is the dissociation constant of acid, and if a small amount of strong electrolyte like sodium acetate is added to aqueous solution of acetic acid, it gets dissociated and again equilibrium exists as shown in equation. Here acetate ions are common, hence their concentration increases. And according to Le-Chatelier's principle, equilibrium shifts towards left. To keep the value of Ka constant, the concentration of acetic acid molecules is increased, and in this way, ionization of acetic acid is suppressed by adding sodium acetate. Thus, the pH of solution increases. Second example is dissociation of weak base. Ionization of weak electrolyte ammonium hydroxide is suppressed by adding strong electrolyte ammonium chloride containing common ammonium ion. Suppose an electrolyte ammonium hydroxide is treated with water and it dissociates and an equilibrium exists as shown in equation. By applying the law of mass action, now we obtain Kb, where Kb is dissociation constant of base. If a small amount of strong electrolyte like ammonium chloride is added to aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide, it gets dissociated and equilibrium exists as shown. Here, ammonium ions are common, hence their concentration increases. And according to Le-Chatelier's principle, equilibrium shifts towards the left. To keep the value of Kb constant, the concentration of ammonium hydroxide molecules is increased, and in this way, ionization of ammonium hydroxide is suppressed by adding ammonium chloride, thus the pH of solution decreases. Now, these are the applications of common ion effect. First one is purification of salt, salting out of soap, qualitative analysis, regulations of buffers, water treatment, and manufacture of sodium bicarbonate. Purification of common salt. Its principle is the addition of common ion to a saturated solution of salt causes the precipitation of salt. When the ionic product exceeds the solubility product and precipitation takes place. Process and explanation includes a saturated solution of common salt free from suspended impurities is taken and HCl gas is passed through it. In a saturated solution of impure sodium chloride, equilibrium exists as shown in equation. If pure HCl gas is passed through this solution, being strong electrolyte, it dissociates almost completely and equilibrium exists as shown. Now chloride ion is a common ion and the concentration of chloride ion is increased. According to Le-Chatelier's principle, equilibrium shifts towards the left, dissociation of sodium chloride is suppressed and pure sodium chloride is precipitated at solid salt. Thus, pure sodium chloride can be precipitated by passing HCl gas in the saturated solution of impure sodium chloride. This is the purification of salt. Now, salting out of soap. Its principle is the addition of common ion to a saturated solution of salt causes the precipitation of salt. When the ionic product exceeds the solubility product, precipitation takes place. Again, process and explanation includes soap is the sodium salt of higher fatty acids. It is prepared by hydrolysis of oils with sodium hydroxide. In saturated soap solution, there exists an equilibrium as shown. If a small amount of sodium chloride is added to solution to saturated soap solution, it dissociates as shown. Concentration of sodium ions increases and due to the common ion effect, dissociation of soap is decreased and soap gets precipitated and then can be easily removed from soap solution. This process of getting solid soap from soap solution by adding salt like sodium chloride is salting out of soap. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.